Welcome! Today I'm showing how to link or unlink Google Assistant option from power key or volume key into your Xiaomi Mi 10 Pro. First of all, need to open settings and find additional settings, this one. Then go into button shortcuts option, and here will be launch Google Assistant option. And here all combination for launch Google Assistant with quick launch. So first option is long press home button, menu button, back button, and with power key combination, maybe power plus home button and power plus menu. And for saving, choose your combination and click back. And it's save automatically. So maybe let's try power and back. And now we activate our Google Assistant. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.